What's your name?
My name is Ongarong.
How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
Okay. Which class do you study?
I study class 6.
I study in class 6. Okay. What's your school name?
My school name is Murapai St. Patrick High School.
Okay. Do you have friends in school?
Yes.
How many friends do you have?
I have many friends in our school.
Okay. Who is your best friend?
My best friend name is Jyotirmoy.
Okay. When do you get up every day?
I get up at 6 o'clock every day.
Where do you live?
I live in a village named Baspalla.
Okay. Named Maspala. What's your father name?
My father name is Biblab Rong.
What's your mother name?
My mother name is Chandani Rong.
Do you have any brother?
Yes.
How many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
Okay. I have one brother. Okay. How many members do you have in your family?
There are 5 members in our family.
In our family. Okay. There are 5 members in our family. Okay. Who are they?
They are my father, mother, brother, grandmother, and I.
Okay. And you. Okay. What's your grandmother's name?
My grandmother's name is Geeta Rong.
Geeta Rong. What do you want to be in future?
I want to be a good teacher in future. এবং আপনারা ভবিষ্যতে কি হতে চান সেটি কমেন্টে লিখে জানান।
ওকে, দেখা হচ্ছে নেক্সট ভিডিওতে। বাই বাই, টাটা।